Hey YouTube, TheRimshotDrummer here. We are back for yet another mini lesson. Today's lesson we're focusing on pickups or drum pickups heading into a song or leading into a song for you. Alright, we have 5 things to share with you today. Let's get started. Alright YouTube, we are back. Today's mini lesson is focused on the beginner and the intermediate drummer. So today we have 5 very important pickup intros to show you. We're going to start off with something very basic, which is the flam intro. Okay, so just the flam, nothing fancy, and that's the pickup note. Well, what is a pickup intro? Pickup intro is a note or notes played before the start of the song. So kind of like leading the song, or leading into the introduction of the song, leading the band into the introduction of the song. Okay, so without any further ado, here is the flam pickup. Real simple, a flam on 4, on the count of 4, right? So if the downbeat is on 1, this is going to start on the count of 4. That was number 1. In our second fill, this fill, we're going to start off with 2 kicks and a flam. 2 kicks and a flam. 1, 2. That's fill number 2. In fill number 3 is more of a build-up. We call this a build-up. You can use this in something like a swing, if you will, or you can use it in other types of genres. But we're going to use like a little swing type of fill today. All right. So here we go. 1, 2. Okay, real simple, the build up, all right, building right up into the intro of the song. Our next fill is a 5-stroke roll followed by 1 hit on a tom. It could be on a high tom, floor tom, it doesn't matter. It's just a 5-stroke followed by 1 stroke on a tom and then into your groove, right? our last and final fill in today's mini lesson is it's an intro fill. You're going to do a small intro, usually one bar with the drums before the rest of the song comes in or the rest of the band comes in. Okay? So I'll demonstrate that for you now. There you have it. Just that simple. Thank you very much. Hey, before you leave, click the subscribe button on the bottom right here on this side. Click the bell notification on that side for me for the YouTube algorithm. Hey, all of my friends in Greece, Italy, United States, my dear friends in Lake Charles, hey man, we're praying for you guys. You're going to pull through. It'll be all right. Hey, thank you for your time. Click subscribe again. Hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.